Have you heard whispers of Bitcoin but felt overwhelmed by the process of buying it? You're not alone. The world of cryptocurrency can be intimidating at first, but fear not, because today we're diving into how to easily buy Bitcoin on a user-friendly platform called Newton. Now, before we jump in, let's rewind a bit. Bitcoin. Why is it such a hot topic? Imagine a digital currency, completely independent of banks or governments. Transactions are secure, transparent, and borderless. Pretty cool, right? That's the basic idea behind Bitcoin. While some use it for everyday purchases, others see it as a long-term investment. The value of Bitcoin fluctuates, so it's important to do your own research before taking the plunge. But if you're ready to take that first step and snag a piece of this digital gold rush, then keep on watching. Getting started with Newton. Alright, so you're decided. Bitcoin on Newton it is. First things first, you'll need to create an account. Newton is specifically designed for Canadians, so if you're outside the Great White North, this video might not be for you, but don't worry, there are other great platforms out there. Creating an account is a breeze. Head over to Newton's website and follow the prompts. They'll ask for some basic information to verify your identity, a standard step in the crypto world. Once your account is sparkling new, it's time to fund it. Funding your Newton account. Newton offers a few ways to add funds to your account. You can link your Canadian bank account for a seamless transfer or use Interac e-Transfer, a popular option in Canada. They also accept credit and debit cards, but be mindful of any potential fees associated with those methods. The moment of truth, buying Bitcoin. With your Newton account funded and ready to roll, it's Bitcoin buying time. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, so navigating shouldn't be an issue. Look for the buy-sell section and there you'll find Bitcoin amongst a list of other cryptocurrencies. Now, here's the beauty of Newton. You can choose how you want to buy. Do you have a specific amount of Canadian dollars you want to spend? Simply enter that amount and Newton will tell you how much Bitcoin you'll get for your buck, or should we say, loony. Feeling a bit more adventurous? You can also specify the amount of Bitcoin you desire, and Newton will calculate the CAD equivalent. It's all about flexibility. Once you've decided on your purchase amount, hit that glorious buy button, and congratulations. You're officially a Bitcoin owner. Storing your Bitcoin. But wait, where do you keep this digital gold? While Newton offers a secure wallet for storing your Bitcoin, some users prefer transferring it to a personal wallet for extra control. This is a whole other topic we can delve into another time, but for now, just know there are options. A few things to remember. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's also important to be responsible. Remember, the value of Bitcoin fluctuates, so invest what you can afford to lose. And do your research. Stay informed about the market and understand the potential risks involved. Alright, that's it. With Newton, buying Bitcoin doesn't have to be a headache. They've made the process smooth and accessible, even for beginners. So, if you've been curious about Bitcoin, hopefully, this video has empowered you to take that first step. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.